Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a profile summary on the Naukri Job Search application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on profile at the top, which is the first section, and then click on the or scroll down and tap on the profile summary section to make an instant impact on recruiters with a summary about your work or education, and click on the add button on the right side of the screen. As you can see, it suggests you to mention the highlights of your career and education, so start typing in. As you can see, you have up to 1000 characters, and minimum 50 words are required. So type it in, and after that you should tap on the done button and click on save down below, and as you can see, your profile summary has been added and updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.